Hey guys, it is Quincy with a slightlybetterlife.com here with my sweet boys. And we've got a little something to unbox. This guy can't read, but I bet you guys can. Let's see what's inside. You want to check it out? All right. It's got a little toggle here we can pull on. Open it up. You're excited. Pull it out and see what's in there. What's it gonna be?
Whoa.
A purple skateboard. Oh my goodness. Oh, we're gonna have to move the camera down. He's down here a little lower. Hang on 1 second. Okay, now we're down at his level so we can see what he can see. What do you think of this? He's opened up a little pouch on here. You're so excited. This is a great size. I like this. It's got tools.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Whoa.
Oh, yes. So I read about this actually online, that you can adjust it and make it go faster or slower. And that's why I liked it so well for this guy, because he is a very beginner. He has not used a skateboard yet. He has just used scooters. Here we go. Let's pull it off like this.
Yeah.
Oh, what a nice print. Look at this. Can I hold it up for the camera to see? Look at that.
And look at it.
Yeah, that's how it's screwed on there. That's how these trucks are on here.
And look at it.
Oh, it's nice. It's very lightweight, which is nice because this is that backpack, so he'd be able to wear it and it won't be too heavy for him. This guy is just 4, but I don't think he will have any problems with it. Are you wanting to take that off too? Yeah. We might have to have Big Brother help with that one.
Yeah.
Oh, he's gonna get it. That's kind of the fun of it, isn't it?
Ooh,
You did do it. Awesome.
Whoa.
It says on here you can find them on Facebook and Instagram. So I will tag to that below.
Take that, hello.
Tag that below. You want me to pull that one off? That one we will need to get us scissors for.
Yeah.
Nope, we did it. Perfect packaging. This is nice.
Whoa, look at that.
Do you want to try standing on it? So we're on a rug right now, so it won't roll too fast for him.
Wow.
Oh, so cool. Okay, I've got to back the camera up again.
And it's a perfect size for his feet.
It is a good size for his feet. Okay, now you can see the size. Go ahead and show them. Look at that, a skateboard of your own.
Wow.
Now, will you let your brother give it a try?
Yeah.
This actually has a weight limit of 200 pounds. It is good for all ages. We're going to have to back it up again, aren't we? Boom, there we go. And there are puddles in our garage. Double the fun. Okay, let's get this up here close, bud, and tell me what you like about it.
Whoa.
All right, scooch over, buddy.
I think I really like the galaxy print, and also that it's clear wheels, so you can see the normal razor wheels inside, and then the plastic coating around them.
And it seems like it'll be really quiet, too.
Yes,
These kind of wheels
very.
are quiet, which I really like as a mama. Even for an outdoor toy. I love that it's
Whoa,
going to get the boys outside.
Super fast.
And they go really fast. It'll get the boys outside playing more. It's lightweight. It has a backpack. And this is one that Mama can try too.
Try it.
I will try it. I will not try it on the camera, but I will give this one a try. So take a look here, up close. Cute print. This is the purple. It's like a galaxy from Skitch Skateboards. Again, I will link this below if you want to take a look. This would be a really good Christmas gift idea.
Cute.
You are so cute. It's a really good Christmas gift idea.
I like
or if you do
puddles. I like one. And
he likes running and he likes jumping in puddles, which is great because this will get you outside too, won't it?
I like drinking those puddles.
You like squishing the puddles?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then
Maybe you can
drinking-
even skateboard through there.
When
So I really think this will be a good gift. We do like homeschool gifts. Hey, can you sit here and listen to Mama? We do gifts for our homeschool, like beginning of the year, end of the year kind of thing. And so this would actually make a great gift for that as well. Don't you think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I could hold it.
You can hold it. Is it heavy?
Wow.
No, it's not heavy. Perfect.
Wait. One hand, I think.
One hand, can you do it?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, so He's 4. He can hold this with one hand, and Mama can ride it too.
Woo!
That is perfect for all levels.
You can try it.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We will keep you updated the more we get this out and use it. Thanks for watching. And as always,
Go out and do something awesome. Bye.
Bye. See ya.
Bye. Good day.
Have a good day.